Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
May I see?
Have a seat. Well, good morning. First of all, I should introduce myself. My name is Sejan Alam Chaudhary. Today I'm here to check your speaking capability. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I would like to know what is your full name?
My full name is Sadida Sabrina. You may call me Sadida.
Okay, Sadida. Good. How many members in your family?
I have 4 members in my family. You call it nucleus family.
Okay. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a little brother.
You have a little brother. Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to do in my free time, spend some time with my phone and with my family and friends.
Okay. When do you usually get up in the morning?
Usually I get up 5:30 a.m.
Okay, good. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black. Why do you like that?
It suits me.
It's suit on you. That's great. Okay. Do you love to eat?
Not too much, but a little bit.
What is your favorite food?
Biryani,
Biryani. What type of biryani do you like?
chicken.
Chicken. Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Not professionally, but a little bit.
Good. Okay. What would you like to do in your in the future?
I would like to be a banker.
You'd like to be a banker. Good. Okay. Right now, I'm going to give you a minute. Talk about. You can pick any topic. Which one you prefer?
I would like to talk about time management. Time management is not just about creating a schedules. It's about mastering the art of balance in a world that never stops moving. It is an invisible skills that turns chaos into charm, in transforming busyness into purposeful progress. Image time is a currency. You can save it, but you can spend it wisely. Who spend time well, they don't work harder, they work simpler. Actually, they work smarter. Effective time management brings clarity, reduce stress, and open up some space for creativity and growth. In the end, it's not about how much time you have, it's about how intentionally you use it.
Okay, thank you so much for your good effort. You can go. Thank you.